Getting to the core of a question like how often does Uphold add new cryptocurrencies requires a little digging. It's not as simple as saying every Tuesday or once a month. The process is more strategic than scheduled. Uphold's approach is to be an early adopter of promising tokens. They've stated that they aim to support important new tokens earlier than some other platforms. This isn't just about throwing a new coin up on the exchange, it's about a careful, deliberate process. So, how does that translate to a timeline? Uphold doesn't have a fixed calendar for new listings. Instead, they operate on a case-by-case basis, evaluating projects as they come to their attention. The factors that influence their decision and the speed of a listing include a project's quality, consumer interest, and the technical complexity of integrating the new asset. They also have an internal listings committee that reviews potential assets. This is a common practice among reputable exchanges to ensure that new listings meet certain standards. They have a tier system, where they sometimes list an asset as a Tier 4 asset, which allows users to buy, hold, send, or sell it, even before full integration with the underlying blockchain. Once that integration is complete, they upgrade it to Tier 3, which enables deposits and withdrawals to and from external wallets. This strategy allows them to add new assets more quickly and then fully integrate them later. The company itself mentions they are connected to over 30 underlying exchanges and they have an anything-to-anything model, which supports seamless movement between any of their supported assets. This infrastructure likely makes it easier for them to onboard new tokens and networks. So, while there's no set schedule, you can expect new cryptocurrencies to be added periodically, driven by market demand and Uphold's own due diligence process. The best way to stay updated is to follow their official announcements and blog, where they share news on new listings and other product updates. It's a dynamic process, not a rigid one, which ultimately benefits users who want to get in on new tokens sooner.